In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Zoho Workdrive data quickly and efficiently. Backing up your files is an essential practice, ensuring your important data is safeguarded against unexpected data loss. So, let's dive in and take you through the process step by step. To begin, open your browser and navigate to Zoho Workdrive. Once you're signed in, head over to My Folders. This is your central access point for all your stored documents and files. Here, you have the freedom to choose which files or folders you'd like to back up. Whether you're looking to secure individual documents or entire categories of files, you simply need to select them. This will highlight your chosen items, indicating they're ready for the next step. Once your selection is made, direct your attention to the available options and find the download button. Clicking on this will initiate the download process of your selected items. If you've chosen multiple files or an entire folder, Zoho will conveniently compress these into a single zipped file. This makes handling large volumes of data much more manageable and ensures you can quickly store them on your preferred device. If you've got broader backup needs, such as a complete backup of all your data, there's an alternative route via the admin console. This option is ideal if you're in charge of ensuring data safety across an entire organization. Navigate to the admin console, and here look for the data administration section. Clicking on this will present you with crucial data management options. In the data administration area, you can choose between backing up all files or specifically the team folder files. This feature is particularly useful for comprehensive backups, allowing you to secure everything in one go. After making your selection, Zoho will get to work preparing your data. Rest assured your data is in good hands. Once the data preparation is complete, you will receive an email from Zoho containing a download link. This email is pivotal. It ensures you can access your data securely and at your convenience, a crucial feature for those unexpected moments when you need your backup data at hand immediately. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of backing up your Zoho Workdrive data. Whether you tailored the backup to individual files or went for a complete data safeguard, you've ensured that your important files are secure and easily retrievable. By following these steps, you're not just protecting your work, but also building a robust safety net for your digital data needs. Thank you for watching and happy backing up.